In the name of Allah, the most kind, the most merciful, I am your teacher, Ms. Pakiza Jafri. Students, how are you? I wish you all the best. So, we are going to learn about the chapter number 3, plant growth. Before open your books, please open your page number. Before open your books, come to the point, and before starting our regular study, we must not forget our routine practice of the learning ethics. So, student moral ethic value is Hazrat Ali alayhi salam says, a lawyer's biggest punishment in this world is that even his truth is rejected. It's a big punishment for a lawyer that his truth is rejected. So always speak a truth in your life and don't tell a lie. Now, students, your first task is do reading of page number 54 to 60. Do reading of page number 54 to 60 of your textbook, and this is chapter number 3, plant growth. Now, this is the chapter. Open after doing the reading, open your chapter number page number 36 of your workbook, and your first experiment is related to do plants need light to grow well. Do plants need light to grow well? In this experiment, we can find out whether the plants need light to grow well or not. Operators, we require digital camera and the meter rule. You can use the also the camera of your phone. And material is required to identical small potted plants, water and markers. Students, your experiment is that take a digital photograph of the each plant. There is pot 1 and pot B. We can kept the pot 1 in the light of the in the sunlight, and kept to pot 2 in the absence of sunlight. So point out that the photograph and paste them into the provided from page 38 to 40. You can paste the pictures of these pots. Alternatively, measure the height of the each potted plant and record. You can measure the height of the potted plant, pot A and pot B. So what we can do, we can take a lot of observations from this. What we can take, we can see the amount of light. Plants need light to grow well. The plants in the pot has grown taller than the pot B. What is this reason? Your question is that on question number 6 is which variables has changed in this experiment? The amount of light, because in pot A the amount of light is present, and in pot B the light is not present. Which variables have been held constant? The type of plant and the amount of water is held constant, but the light is not held constant. Okay, your question number 7 is what is the difference between in pot A and pot B after 5 days? You can write what you can observe. What I can observe, I can tell you the plant in the pot A has grown taller than the plant in the pot B. There are the more leaves on the plant in pot A than on the plant in pot B. The leaves of the plant in pot A are still green, while those in the pot B have turned yellow or dropped off. What is the reason of the that leaves of the pot B is yellow? Because they have lack of the chlorophyll. Green green pigments is appeared in the leaf due to the presence of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll makes in leaves and give colors to leaf because of the sunlight. But in pot B there is no sunlight, that's why they turn into the yellow color. So students, your home task is that page number 36 to 40 of your workbook. You can do it on the loose sheet. So students, best of luck and Allah Hafiz.